Irv Maze, my name's Jim Pence from Hillbilly Report. I'd like to ask you, how did you get into politics, and what made you to decide to run with Jonathan Miller?
Well, I think what was the determining factor, when I was 18 years of age, I had the opportunity to meet Bobby Kennedy. I was there the day Martin Luther King was killed. He gave a speech that will always stand in the back of my mind about the opportunity to serve, the need to serve. You had to give of yourself. We were all part of the solution. A lot of times people sit on the sidelines and complain, and he gave that speech, a very impassioned speech. I knew then that public service was something I wanted to do. Not only wanted to do, I should do. I then went away to college. I then went away to law school. I ran out of money and I had to get a job and went to school at night, worked my way through. I know what it is to make a dollar. That background I bring into this. So when I graduated from law school, those same early feelings about politics never disappeared. I had the opportunity to serve on the Jefferson Fiscal Court. I was a county commissioner. I was a magistrate. I balanced budgets. The one thing I loved about that job, I had the ability to meet the public and talk to the public and try to help the public and make sure that they felt that government just wasn't for those other folks. With Jonathan Miller, that's easy. I had the opportunity to meet with him 3 days straight. I first asked him to come down to talk to me, and he asked me why. I asked him why he wanted to meet with me, and he said he wanted to talk to me about running for lieutenant governor. And I said, basically, the hell you say. I'm kind of a hard guy at my stage in my political life, did I really want to do this? And I had to think about that for about 15 minutes once I heard him talk. And when he was saying everything that I believed about honesty, about government, responsiveness, your ability to serve, that's the same speech I heard when Bobby Kennedy gave it to me. I then listened to him for about 2 hours about the direction that he wanted to take Kentucky. And the question now was whether or not I sat on the sidelines and listened to what was the easy way to do. Most people do that. Or whether or not I wanted to help. I asked for me to think about it overnight, thought about it the next day, had the opportunity to think about it, asked him what role he wanted me to play. He asked all those questions right. The answers were wonderful. He's a well-versed, well-thought-out individual. I don't always see that in government. So then the last thing I said was, give me another day. The next day, that night I called him and I said, I'm in. Let's go. Let's do it. You'll never look back. And it's been a whirlwind ever since we've announced. I think he's the kind of guy that can bring Kentucky forward. And I take that very, very serious. That's not always been the case in this state. And I think we have the responsibility to do it. I feel like I have the responsibility to help. And that's why I got it. It was really, looking back on it, it was a very easy answer.
Thank you, Mr. Maze. I appreciate it. You have a great day and good luck.
I will. Thank you very much.